Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove phone number from Telegram. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up the Telegram application in your mobile and then tap on these three bars in the top left corner and simply tap on this settings. Now in settings, you can scroll down and simply tap on this privacy and security, then tap on this phone number, and from here you can select this nobody who can see my phone number. So just select nobody. So now nobody can see your phone number on Telegram, and below you will be able to see who can find me by my number. You can select this my contacts except everybody, and now nobody can see your phone number and not everybody can find you by your phone number on Telegram. And if you tap on this add exception, you can add the users, and from here you will be able to add users and you want not them to find or search your phone number. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.